Okay, hello, how are you all? I hope you all are staying safe. Hope you all are staying safe. Okay, so let us quickly start your class. So I'll quickly share the screen with you all. So you all get ready. Okay, so today we will study which topic? Today we are going to study acid, bases, and salts. Fine? Okay. So, acid, bases, and salts. What is the main part in this chapter? The main part in this chapter is acids, bases, and the reaction between acids and bases. Okay. So, the first thing that will come under this topic is what are acids? Now, acids are the substances which react, okay, which react with water and dissociates into hydrogen ions. Okay, hydrogen. Now you will find that it is coming as H3O plus, that is hydronium ions. Why this hydronium ions is forming? Okay, let me quickly tell you why is the hydrogen it is forming. So see here, whenever suppose we take an acid HCl, okay, so when this acid is in water, that means it is electro something it is done, not I'll not tell now, electrolysis. Okay, so HCl is breaking down into H plus and Cl minus, right? H plus is broken down into H plus and Cl minus, but it is also water is there. Okay, so plus H2O, so plus H2 is remaining. Okay, so this is added H, so all total it becomes H3O plus. Okay, so from here you get hydronium ions. Okay, so this ions is termed as hydronium ions. Okay, so this term is given as hydronium ion. Done with this? Okay, sure. Okay, so let us move on. What are bases? Bases, they are bitter. That means they are not so much cool. That means they're katu to it, right? Bitter. So they have a soapy touch. They turn red litmus blue. So what is litmus paper? We are going to come a bit later. They act as electrolytes in solution. That means what is electrolytes? Let's read. So let's read what is electrolyte. Suppose we are taking this as a substance. This is suppose water. So let it be water. Okay. So if the wires are placed inside this water like this, here is the battery. Here is the battery. Okay. So we are connecting the wire. So here is the bulb, and then we are going. Okay. But when we will see this, if current is passed, this bulb, it will not glow. This bulb will not glow. What will happen? This bulb will not glow. Right? So if we add here some amount of salt or H2SO4, okay, or any other acid, then this bulb will glow. Okay, then this bulb will glow. So the acid that is there is acting as an electrolyte. Okay, so the role of electrolyte is to help in the conduction of electricity. Okay, so that is what is meant by electrolyte. Sorry, okay. So here they react with the hydromonium ions that we have already discussed. H3O plus is the hydronium ions, which is nothing but it is only the ions which are present in acids or they dissociate into that. Fine. Okay. So this is neutralize. That means they neutralize each other. That is their neutralization reaction. Okay. So now what you can see on your screen, you can see on your screen a litmus paper. This is blue, this is red, this is the original color. This is a violet type color, faded violet, right? So this color is obtained when we put this in a distilled water. Okay, litmus paper looks like this, right? So when we are seeing it in a cross sectional view, we find there is a violet portion in the middle. If we divide it into three portion like this portion is violet color. Okay, this portion is red and this portion is blue, right? So where does this violet color come from? We know litmus is only red and blue. Then from where is this violet portion coming from? This indicates that this is blue litmus. This is the original litmus color, original, or you can say distilled water. When it is placed in distilled water, the color that is given is termed as violet. Okay, red is, this is a red color which is for acids, right? This is for base. Fine. So if red color is put into a base, it will turn blue. If blue is put, it will turn red. Violet is not in case of any acid or base. Okay. Okay, so let us read. What are indicators? So the substance that we just now listened is indicator. So if we place the red litmus in a solution of which is an acid, we'll see it with an example so that you understand better. See, suppose this is a solution. Okay, this is a solution termed as A. This is a solution that is termed as B. Okay, now we are placing a litmus. Okay, we are placing a litmus inside it. The color of the litmus is red. Okay, the color of the litmus is red. Just a minute. Yeah, so the color of the litmus is red, and we are placing another litmus paper inside this whose color is blue. Okay, now if this red litmus changes to blue, if this red litmus changes to blue, then what can we say about this substance A? If red litmus changes to blue, what can we say about this substance A? That it is basic, right? We can say it is basic. If the red litmus is remaining red or no change, that means this substance is acidic, right? If this blue is changing to red, that means this substance is acidic. Fine. Now, if this blue remains blue, that means this substance is base or basic. Fine. So this is how indicators are used. Okay. So substances that are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic is known as indicators. Okay. Example: turmeric, litmus, china rose. Among these, litmus is the most commonly used indicator. Okay, now there are another type of indicator which is termed as olfactory indicators. Okay, olfactory indicators is, olfactory means that is smell. Okay, which can change its smell. What happens? It changes its smell. Okay, so that is all fact. Example, clove oil, all those. Okay, indicators clear. Let me know in the chat if you are having any doubt. If you are having any doubt from this portion, let me know in the chat. Okay. If you are having any doubt from this portion, let me know in the chat. Okay, so let us now come to the topic some substance and the acid that it contains. That means we are considering some basic substance and what acid it is. See, vinegar. Vinegar contains acetic acid. Formic acid is ant string. Citric acid, lemon. Lactic acid is present in curd. Oxalic acid is present in spinach. Ascorbic acid is present in amla. Tartaric acid is present in grapes, ripe and unripe. Okay, so these are some acids and some common examples in which it is present. Let us now read some common substance and the base that it is containing. The base that it is containing. Okay, calcium hydroxide is present in lime water. Ammonium hydroxide present in window cleaner. Sodium potassium hydroxide is present in soap, which has this will soap we learn in class 9 and 10. Okay, which is micelles, a special type. So magnesium hydroxide is present in milk of magnesia. Right now, what can you see? This is a red litmus stock. This is a blue litmus stock. Fine. So now we are going to discuss what is litmus. Litmus is the most widely used natural indicator. It is obtained from a plant variety called lichens. It has a mauve color and in distilled water. When added to acidic solution, it is turning red. Okay. When added to solution, it is termed as red. Clear? It turns red. And when added to basic solution, it is turns blue. Okay. So litmus, if it is added to acid, then it turns red. If it is added to basic, it will turn blue. Fine. So it is available in the form of a solution or in the form of strips of paper. Okay, known as litmus paper. This is the form. Paper solution is also there. Okay, so generally it is available as red and blue litmus paper. If it is dipped, as I told, if it is dipped in the distilled water, it has a gauze. See, it has a mauve color. That is, mauve is nothing but it is just a violet color. Okay, now we are coming to the topic neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction is nothing but it is the reaction between an acid and base, that is termed as a neutralization reaction. Products that are formed are salt and water. Okay, it is a exothermic reaction. That means heat is evolved during the reaction. So acid base forms salt plus water. Applications of neutralization reaction. Okay, indigestion, antibite, soil treatment, factory waste. So these are the applications of neutralization reaction. Okay, so indigestion, that means if there are excess of acid, then HCl, it basis that is antacids are used. Antibite contain formic acid, so calamine solution can be used. Soil treatment, that is excessive acid or base, then we use the calcium oxide all those, and if excess acid, then we use that is organic matter of factory waste. If it is containing acid, so if it is going to the rivers, it's going to pollute and kill, so base is added. Okay. Okay, so theory portion is over. So I hope this chapter is clear because this chapter mainly contains neutralization reaction, acid, base, and the topics, properties of base, which are not mentioned but I have mentioned in the PPT. Okay, so this portion is only about acids, base, neutralization reaction, litmus paper, and different other, that is turmeric and etc. Okay. Okay, so now I hope you all are ready for the Menti. Okay, so I hope you are ready for the Menti. So let's start the Menti then. Okay, so I quickly share the Menti screen with you all. So let me quickly share your Menti screen. Just a minute. Here is the Menti screen on your Shreya Educational World. Okay. So here is the Menti on your screen. So quickly call out friends and join the Menti quiz. Go to www.menti.com. Quickly go to www.menti.com. Use the code 6044229. Shreya, you asked me that I asked that thing in to me personally in Telegram. Okay, you asked that thing personally in Telegram. You will get to know my name also. Okay, I have shared the code in the chat. I have shared the code in the chat. I have shared the code. Code is 6044229. So quickly join. I have pinned the message. Okay. So somebody has joined and again left. I don't know why. Okay. Now somebody has joined. So quickly I can see three of you are there. So why I can see two of you are there. So why is where is another one? Chalo. So let us begin with the first question. Question has begun on your screen. So see an answer. Nitric acid will turn red litmus blue. Is it true or is it false? Let us see. No, no. Acid. What I just said. Acid turns red litmus red only. Blue litmus red. It will turn blue litmus red, but red litmus will be red only because it is an acid. Okay. Red litmus will remain red. Blue litmus will go back to red. Okay. Blue litmus will go to red, but red litmus will remain red. Next question. To decay is caused by the presence of a base. Is it correct? Again, don't go again. No, it is wrong. Again, tooth decay is caused by the presence of an acid, not by the base. The acid that the bacteria excretes. Okay, acid that's bacteria excretes. Next question. Question 3. An oxide is acidic and has a pungent odor. It could be what? Which of the following can fit exactly? See, it is told acidic and odor is also given. So don't. No, no, no. It is nitrogen dioxide. Sulfur dioxide does not have any odor. Carbon dioxide does not have. Sodium oxide is first of all not acid. Okay. Correct answer is nitrogen dioxide. Okay, so two of you are there, but voting is done by only one. So next question. Question 4. What is the correct way of making a solution of acid in water? Correct way of making an acid in solution. Making a acid in water. Let's see. No, no. Whenever you add a acid in water, first you add the water, then you add acid to the water, not the water to the acid, because it will create an explosion. Okay, we do add acid to water, not we don't add water to acid. Okay, so leaderboard is still 0-0. I don't know what is the problem. So last question for today. Last question for today. When the soil is too basic, plants do not grow well in it. To improve its quality, what must be added to the soil? I have said the answer. Yes, good. Correct answer is organic matter. You have to add organic matter to the soil to improve its fertility. Okay. So Shreya is answered and Shreya is on the first position. Okay. So good, good. but you need to still read the topic. Okay, you still need to focus on the topic because you are making mistakes. Okay. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed today's session. So the first topic, that is acid, bases, and salt, is covered today. Yeah, thank you. Yes, yes, you are on the first position. You are in the first position. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the session. So if you have enjoyed the session, like the channel. Okay, like the session and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let me go back to the Menti. Okay, so good. So stopping here for today. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Okay. You asked me in the telegram. Okay, you asked me in the telegram. I will tell you. Okay. Fine. Okay. So I hope you have got. Okay. So very good. This is a nice session. Okay. So I hope you have understood the topic. The topic that is we have taught today. We have taught the acid, bases, and salt. Okay. We have done a short Menti quiz also. Okay. So goodbye for today. We will meet soon. Okay. We will meet soon with some other topic. Okay. Okay. So goodbye. Take care. Stay safe. Be healthy. Goodbye.